Welcome back. Today we're focusing on the heart, our body's engine. The right fuel keeps it running smoothly, and simple dietary choices can boost our cardiovascular health. Let's explore 9 accessible superfoods that can protect your heart. Ready? Let's dive in. When it comes to starting your day on a healthy note, few foods are as powerful and reliable as oats. This humble grain has earned its place as a breakfast staple in kitchens around the world, and for good reason. Not only are oats delicious and filling, but they also pack a serious punch when it comes to supporting your heart health and managing cholesterol. The real magic of oats lies in a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. You might not see it, but this natural compound is the secret weapon that makes oats a true cholesterol buster. Beta-glucan forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract, which plays a crucial role in how your body processes cholesterol. Think of beta-glucan as a gentle sponge moving through your system. As it travels, it binds to bile acids. These are substances your body makes from cholesterol to help digest fat. By trapping these bile acids, beta-glucan prevents them from being reabsorbed, forcing your body to use up more cholesterol to make new bile acids. The result, your LDL or bad cholesterol levels start to drop, helping to keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy. The science backs this up. Multiple studies have shown that eating just one bowl of oatmeal a day, about 3 grams of beta-glucan, can significantly lower LDL cholesterol over time. In fact, the effect is so well documented that health organizations around the world recommend oats as part of a heart-healthy diet. But the benefits of oats don't stop at cholesterol. Oats are also excellent for stabilizing blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing those sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can stress your heart and leave you feeling sluggish. This makes oats a smart choice not just for heart health, but also for anyone looking to manage their energy levels or reduce their risk of type 2 diabetes. Oats are also rich in unique antioxidants called avenanthramides. These powerful plant compounds help relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. They also fight inflammation, which is another key factor in heart disease. So with every spoonful of oats, you're not just lowering cholesterol, you're giving your entire cardiovascular system a boost. The best part, oats are incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. Enjoy a warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning, blend oats into your favorite smoothie for extra creaminess and fiber, or stir them into pancake or muffin batter for a nutritious twist on your favorite baked goods. You can even use oats as a crunchy topping for yogurt or salads. For an extra antioxidant boost, top your oatmeal with fresh berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. These fruits are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and more antioxidants, making your breakfast not just heart healthy but also colorful and delicious. Whether you prefer your oats sweet or savory, hot or cold, there's a way to enjoy them that fits your taste and lifestyle. From overnight oats to hearty oat-based soups, the possibilities are endless. So, make oats a regular part of your diet and give your heart the support it deserves. Oats truly are one of nature's most versatile and heart-friendly foods. When it comes to foods that truly support your heart, few can rival the incredible benefits of salmon. Often called a heart hero, salmon is not just a delicious fish. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can make a real difference in your cardiovascular health. Watching wild salmon swim upstream in pristine rivers, you can almost sense the vitality and strength this fish brings to your plate. What sets salmon apart is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These essential fats are not produced by our bodies in significant amounts, so we need to get them from our diet. Alongside salmon, other foods like walnuts and chia seeds also offer omega-3s, but salmon is one of the most concentrated sources. Omega-3s are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to the buildup of plaque in our arteries, which can eventually lead to heart attacks and strokes. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s help keep your arteries clear and flexible. They also play a crucial role in lowering triglyceride levels, a type of fat in your blood that, when elevated, increases your risk of heart disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3s have been shown to help stabilize the electrical activity of the heart, reducing the risk of dangerous arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats that can be life-threatening. Cardiologists often recommend omega-3 rich diets for patients looking to support a healthy heart rhythm. Numerous studies have found that people who eat fish regularly, especially fatty fish like salmon, have a significantly lower risk of developing heart disease. Sharing a meal of grilled salmon with loved ones isn't just enjoyable, it's a step toward a healthier future. To maximize these heart protective benefits, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish each week. This could mean enjoying salmon fillets, mackerel, sardines, or trout. A serving is typically about 3.5 ounces cooked, or roughly the size of a deck of cards. While wild-caught salmon is often considered the gold standard due to its slightly higher omega-3 content and natural diet, farmed salmon is still a very good option and more widely available. Both types provide substantial health benefits, so choose what fits your budget and availability. Preparing salmon is easy and versatile. You can grill it with a squeeze of lemon, bake it with your favorite herbs, or even use canned salmon for a quick salad or sandwich. However you enjoy it, you're giving your body a delicious boost of heart-protective nutrients. Make salmon a regular part of your meals, and your heart will thank you for years to come. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, are antioxidant powerhouses. Anthocyanins in berries combat oxidative stress, reducing heart disease risk. They improve blood vessel function, lowering blood pressure. Berries also prevent LDL cholesterol oxidation, a key step in plaque formation. Enjoy them in oatmeal smoothies or as a snack. Fresh or frozen, they're a heart-healthy choice. When you think of guilty pleasures, chocolate probably tops the list. But what if we told you that indulging in a little dark chocolate could actually be good for your health? That's right, dark chocolate, when chosen wisely, can be heart healthy and even beneficial for your overall well-being. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a treat for your body. The secret lies in its rich content of flavonols, which are powerful plant compounds found in cocoa beans. These flavonols help your body produce more nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. This process improves blood flow, making it easier for your heart to pump blood throughout your body, and can even help lower your blood pressure over time. So enjoying dark chocolate isn't just about satisfying a craving, it's about supporting your cardiovascular health in a delicious way, but the benefits don't stop there. Dark chocolate also acts as a shield for your cholesterol. It helps protect LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol, from oxidation, a process that can damage your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. By preventing this oxidation, dark chocolate helps keep your arteries healthier and your heart happier. To get the most benefits, choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. The higher the cocoa percentage, the more flavonols and less added sugar you'll get. Always check the packaging to make sure you're picking a quality bar. And remember that moderation is key. You don't need to eat a lot, just a small piece a few times a week is enough to enjoy the health perks without overdoing the calories or sugar. Savor each bite and let it melt slowly for maximum enjoyment. For an extra heart-healthy boost, try pairing your dark chocolate with fresh berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, making this combination a powerhouse for your heart and your taste buds. So go ahead, enjoy your guilty pleasure knowing it's actually doing your body some good. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are heart-friendly snacks. Packed with healthy fats, they lower LDL and raise HDL cholesterol. Walnuts offer ALA, a plant-based omega-3 with anti-inflammatory benefits. Nuts also provide fiber, protein, and antioxidants like vitamin E. Enjoy a small handful daily, raw or unsalted, for a heart-healthy boost. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, lowering LDL and raising HDL cholesterol. High in potassium, they help manage blood pressure. Avocados also offer fiber and antioxidants, supporting overall heart health. Use them in salads, smoothies, or as a butter substitute. Half an avocado daily is a delicious heart boost. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are blood pressure champions. High in nitrates, they convert to nitric oxide, improving blood flow. Greens also provide vitamin K, preventing arterial calcification. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, they support heart health. Add them to salads, smoothies, or sauté as a side. Aim for daily servings. Extra virgin olive oil is a Mediterranean diet staple rich in monounsaturated fats. It reduces inflammation and protects LDL from oxidation. Choose extra virgin for maximum antioxidants. Use in dressings or drizzled over dishes. It's a flavorful way to support heart health. Beans, like black beans and lentils, are fiber-rich heart protectors. Soluble fiber lowers cholesterol and stabilizes blood sugar. Beans offer plant protein, reducing saturated fat intake. They're rich in magnesium and potassium, supporting blood pressure. Affordable and versatile, add them to soups, salads, or make dips. A few servings weekly can make a big difference. There you have it, 9 superfoods for a healthier heart. Each offers unique benefits, working together for cardiovascular health. Start small, swap breakfast for oatmeal or snack on nuts. Consistent changes lead to lasting habits and heart health. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and curious. See you in the next video.